Ntate Ramaphosa dumela. Apsheni sanibona goeiemôre. Meneer President Ramaphosa. Dumela mokgalabje, dumela. O jwetsitse mokgalabje hore ha ona motho a batla go utlwa o bua wena. Akekho umuntu ofuna ukulalela wena ubaba Ramaphosa akekho. Abantu bakhathele mhlonisho. Abantu bakhathele batho ba khathetse mokgalabje ke makahao. Actually batho ba khathetse ke most politicians, especially ba di political parties tse emeng le batho ba o fitla. Abantu bakhathele ba Ramaphosa. Uzibona istadium sinesile empty. Kala ibona nantwi. Lega Malema stadium asibi empty. Aye. Kireli Floyd ona le mona Soweto mo. Sonta. Azange holonya Orlando mo. Batho bane ba le ko Orlando Hall bane ba feta ba bane ba le go stadium. No bua liwane ntate Ramaphosa go re batla o etsa a hona motho ntate Ramaphosa a hona motho a batla utlwa next o so bua taba hore we understand the legitimate concerns of South Africans concerning illegal migration. We are busy rooting out corruption, blah blah blah. Ntate Ramaphosa man, segulate man that. And then Luna Lebakare trusted these institutions and whatever. My South Africans want to help the institutions and want to wake the institutions up to enforce the laws. When I batla re tshepa ba maponisa ntate Ramaphosa tonana ke bana ba le ba hlalla ko Matlanga Commission. Re tshepa ba. Minister o ha ona Minister Spiderman, tate Spiderman. Sparrows spinach. Or ntate Spiderman or beans, Mr. Beans, baked beans. Akizu ba ke ntate baked beans. Time aleo no gona wa hlatsetsa ba le South Africans o go betsa hore xenophobic what what's all the moment o ba le zvuguvugunyana concerning illegal foreigners le tseba o bua le tseba wa hlama mare these illegal foreigners ba ntse ba etsa di shenanigans mona nona ba le DJ Warasi o ba ile ba mokhabata o la bua that Ramaphosa la bua na ke a botsa mokgalabje a wa bua batho ba ngata ntho tse ngata di etsaetse mona na di ba bitsa illegal foreigners they are involved in shenanigans balwana ona vale di turf war ona di turf war ona vale tsa ma Ethiopian mona Joburg mona bathunyana vale. When an illegal foreigner is involved in shenanigans, and not on one occasion, several occasions, and we are raising alarm on that. Azango watula, azango buenda Ramaphosa have when kids were unalived kanakwane kapkidis Pakistani or Somalis touch shops. Utola ntate Ramaphosa. Azange rukwe anything from when. Wa jwetsa ka ntwa Palestina le what? Kaofela lona le bontate Mahlafuna le kaofela di political parties la marcha la bua ka taba Palestina re sen genocide ka Palestina ma hona le mathata mona lapeng mo. Bana ba hlokaetse in your own country ba jile poisonous food wa ka program nyana ya mtshwako ya ho register these illegal foreigner shops who are illegal plus the business tsa bona di illegal wa ka mtshwako in that program ho no tletse bona ba fotsi these illegal foreigners ha no tlamile re tle home affairs ona mono ba tle ba nke bathwano kaofela ba tsamaisa ba shipe mo ba hlante Uno fotse bona di lining. O tletse ma Pakistani le ma Somalis because ke bona bana talk shop shop. Uno tletse bona. Ha o tlamile o tle home affairs. E dile ka bona batho ba. Ah, lona la register wena le minister wa small business what ndabeni jwale ke mang motho a tla le mamela man, who's gonna listen to you? Because that was a good chance how ulate home affairs hey nanga abantu la ngabantu bagqwele la ma illegal foreigners la hey home affairs mishayba tsamo ngikamba batho bano li bavayise.
Well, today I couldn't have been more proud to be called a South African. When I saw how empty the stadium was, where the president of the Republic of South Africa, Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa, was supposed to address a handful audience in Bloemfontein. But there was a tiny group of people whom I think is personally and directly connected to Cyril Ramaphosa, or is personally and directly connected to the corruption that is perpetuated by the leadership of the ANC. So Cyril Ramaphosa, in fact, was addressing himself, because there was literally a very tiny group that attended the event where he was supposed to address the audience on the Freedom Day in South Africa on the 27th of April 2026. But there was literally a tiny group that was close to none. So literally the stadium was very, very empty. Very, very empty. So I don't know how Cyril Ramaphosa handled the situation, because there was literally nobody in the stadium. And this shows how tired people are of these politicians who always deceive the people and expect people to accept their deception with no consequences. People had grown tired of political nonsense, political deception that has been going on since the ANC had democratically won power in 1994. People are tired. This is a signal that shows how tired the people are of the political deception that is perpetuated under the leadership of the African National Congress. So it was a no-show, basically, because people did not show up to the stadium where the president of the country was supposed to address the people on the Freedom Day in South Africa. The stadium was literally empty. And I wish people could do the same on the election day in South Africa, because the local elections are around the corner on the 4th of November. Between the 4th and 11th of November, South Africa will be embarking in the local election. We will be voting for local government. But the window for local government election is between the 4th of November 2026 and the 30th of January 2027. But the set date is the 4th of November 2026. And I wish people could do the same, particularly those who are big supporters of the African National Congress. I wish on that day could put their support, their X, their marks on other reasonable options, instead of supporting a political party that has done nothing for the citizens of South Africa but brought trauma, deception, and oppression that is preserved by black political leaders. Not white apartheid government leaders, but black political leaders, particularly those who are leading in the ANC. Black people in South Africa are oppressed by black political leaders today. Yes, they are house niggers who are serving as agents of the masters and captains of the system that is being implemented in South Africa, which is a tiny few white individuals who are deployed to watch and preserve the global system that is perpetuated in the context of South Africa. But the people who are directly involved in the oppression of the majority of South Africa are black political leaders under the leadership of the #1 gangster in South Africa, Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa, the president of the ANC, who is also the president of the Republic of South Africa, the leader of the GNU, Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa, the #1 gangster and thug in this country. Children go to bed without food under his leadership. Taxpayers can't afford anything. Professional workers can't buy anything. Cannot afford to live a comfortable life under the leadership of this gangster called Cyril Ramaphosa. I'm very happy, couldn't have been more proud to be called a South African today after the people of Bloemfontein decided not to show up to the event where Cyril Ramaphosa was supposed to deliver a speech for the Freedom Day. Thank you to the people of Bloemfontein for not attending that event. It is time for the people to stop supporting a beast, a selfish beast called African National Congress. It is time to stop supporting the ANC.
Today I'm very, very proud ukuyibiza nge-South African. Ngiyabona into eyenziwe ama-South Africans namhlanje ingijabulise kabi kuyi-Freedom Day. Lo ombonayo bafethu la ngaphezulu la, ombonayo upresident wethu Cupcake, President Cyril Ramaphosa, elokhuzaneni eMawemele Stadium, ezo-addressa ke ngosuku olukhulu for celebration yalo lusuku le-Freedom Day. Njoba ubona nje la phezulu la all around, yabo, la ngaphezulu all around, onke nje all around ku-empty, abantu abayingeni. Yabona la ngezansi mawuthi uyabheka la ngezansi mawubuka all around kwi-video nje ubona ukuthi cha ku-empty, abantu abayingeni. You can't really blame people, and I'm glad ukuthi abantu they've coming to their senses ukuthi kudlalwa ngathi lo sithiwa celebrate of Freedom Day singena msebenzi, sine freedom kodwa sisebenzi, sine freedom kodwa sinamali. What's freedom without money? Usazo busy uhlala nibanga imisebenzi nama-foreigner, abantu abangarejistiwe ngisho ukurejistwa la eMzansi aba-illegal. Sizotshela ngo-Freedom Day, kuthiwa so-celebrate i-Freedom Day, sibe singakhululekile ezweni lethu. I'm proud of South Africans. If bengayitholanga imeseji kusukela namhlanje uRamaphosa, ngeke bephinde beyibona. Hayi, ngeke bephinde beyibona.
Hey, manyiwa. Yabona le eniyenzile South Africa. Hayi Ramaphosa uzonikwatela bafethu. Aniyanga estadium nyogcwalisa istadium kuze president bantu awanyiwa straight. Awanyiwa. Libona ama teacher. Niyenza ukuthi president bafethu, this is a national president yaseMzansi eyethu, i-president one stadium. Nami nguRamaphosa ngizonikwatela. Ngcono ama-foreign ahlale sham. Hayi. Anyeke ningenze kanje ngiyi-president. South Africa ngeke. Ngingene ngichuzwe yini ngapha yabona? Hayi. niyenza uRamaphosa ahlala eyi-1 President Ramaphosa yeyi nemhlalisa eyi-1 anisilehe hayi tate Ramaphosa kahlolwa Bloemfontein hlala Bloemfontein no phelela eJozi Jozini you right the rest I forget sona empty stadium guys come on let's do something for president yethu nathi angeke so shonisilehe sha wanyiwa
hayi abantu basemzansi namhlanje bathe andizi istadium lapha ngathi hayi eBloemfontein asigcwele bathe abantu not yet uhuru economic freedom not yet achieved education not yet achieved equality not yet achieved the only freedom we have is to go vote and then read our votes at the end not yet uhuru indeed.
Haibo, President of the Republic, addressing empty chairs. Hayi bafana bakithi mani ngabona ukuthi konakela ayikho lento le. Kubhekwe iphi nisazo imagine power lapho mawucabanga ama factions tension ekhona laphana ngaphakathi enhlanganweni yaka ANC ama camp kanjani ungena ama numbers balwa bodwa balwela into engekho okusantshontshekayo kuyena usabamba lokho kusakhona isimo sibi. Hey abantu angaza bakabona ukuthi basenkingeni balahlekelwe bahanjelwe ngiyabona nje abantu bebusiness inkomfa nani lezo uzohola bani yabo abantu babhizi bafocus ezintweni zabo ezintweni abacabanga ukuthi basiza bona yabo njengamanje abantu abasa relevant abavela kulezi insuku abantu laba bo march and march abantu babhizi bagijima nabantu ezitradini. It is very difficult for ANC ukuthi usengenza le yanto le ukuthi uhambe nabantu ukuthi uyamasha phansi egroundini. Akekho umuntu osanethemba kubona ibhizi madlanga laphana ikhucula inqwaba ezigebengu zakaKhongolose abantu aba underqualified akade bedla imali engaka bese ezikhundleni umnisi naye uqala kuba manje ukuthi abe qualified ukuthi ngabe CFO well intozana omasipala ongaka ya ukumemanda the party has been serving for years unqualified. Hayi bafana bakithi hey kunzima into ongazi uzuyibona lento le ihlazo leli yabona 2029 mangabe nizokwazi ukubathola omasipala live esikuse Free State kwaZulu Natal mabezofika ku10 lapha nizoyibambela khona outright majority. Hayi niyobe nisebenzile ngifuna uqamba manga mhlawumbe kwama province ngenzeka but KZN mawuthi uyabuka neHautini ayi kunzinyana kudinga omkhulu umsebenzi lo yo ihlazo lento le bathini oChrizani lapho belele khona bathini oSteve Mbiko wonke like ama revolutionalist wonke the late ones athini nje mayebuka kunje the West Generation.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. People are making fun of Cyril Ramaphosa ngemva kokuthi address masithi la MT lapha eBloemfontein mhla tingu-7 27 rather April in a Freedom Day. Bantu they didn't show up, but that stadium was empty kesana, like literally there was no one. And I'm just asking myself, for example, Bantu they didn't know what Ramaphosa was coming, or people just didn't care. Bantu bakhathele, and there people were saying, "What my foreigners, the what defender, agangaga, why ngafika Nigeria, lapho nima Zimbabwe na tokulale lukhuluma because wena ngibo bantu." People are making fun of lama clips la khuluma khona Ramaphosa nimasithi kesana, like he was literally speaking to Sita, and people are saying ukuthi people are really tired. Uyasho nomjamani ukuthi Ramaphosa, no one wants to like listen to you. Kude umuntu ofuna ukulalela. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.